Tired of scrolling forever through your Discord chat history just to find that one image you saw last week? Same. It is such a pain. But here is the good news. There is a much faster way. Discord actually has hidden search filters that let you see every single image, video, or file in a channel instantly. No endless scrolling required. So here is what I'm going to show you. I will walk you through the exact search commands for images, videos, and files, plus how to jump straight to any result. It is way simpler than you think. All right, let us start by opening the chat where you know the media was shared. It can be a direct message, a group chat, or a server channel. Just click on it from your sidebar. Now, look at the very top right of your Discord window. See that little search bar? Click on it. That is your new best friend. Go ahead and type in the word has, and then right after the colon, type image. So the full command is has image. Hit enter. Instantly, a panel opens up on the right side of your screen, showing every single message in that chat that contains an image or a GIF. You can scroll through all of them right there. If you see one you want to look at, just click on it. It will jump you right to that exact spot in the chat history. Super useful, right? Now let us clear that out and do the same thing for videos. Click back into the search bar, type has:video, and press enter. Same deal. A panel shows up with every video file shared in that channel. Click any result to jump straight to it. Now documents and files. Type in has:file and hit enter. This will show you PDFs, Word docs, zip files, anything shared as an attachment. No more scrolling through pages of chat history. Give it a try and let me know how it goes.